In this video, we listed the 5 best cardstock printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Epson HD XP-15000. The Epson Expression Photo HD XP-15000 is a versatile wide-format inkjet printer designed for producing professional quality photo prints, featuring connectivity options for both wired and wireless use. This ultra-compact printer, 30% smaller than its predecessor, supports borderless printing up to 13 by 19 inches and utilizes a 6-color Claria Photo HD ink system, including red and gray inks for an expansive color gamut and superior black and white printing. It offers a maximum print speed of 20 ppm for both color and monochrome output and features automatic duplex printing. The XP-15000 is equipped with a 50-sheet rear tray for specialty media and a 200-sheet front tray, ensuring easy handling of various paper finishes and sizes. Additionally, the printer includes dash replenishment technology that monitors ink levels and automatically reorders supplies, while the package contains essential accessories such as setup CD-ROM, power cord, and multiple ink cartridges, providing everything needed to get started. Number 2. Canon Pixma 96820. The Canon CNIX6820OB is a wireless, Ethernet, and USB-compatible inkjet printer with a maximum print speed of 10.4 ppm in color and 14.5 ppm in monochrome. It features a 5-color ink system, quiet mode, and auto power on and off settings. With a maximum print resolution of 9600 by 2400 dots per inch and compatibility with Windows and Mac operating systems, this printer also supports AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, and Pixma printing solutions. It utilizes fine print head technology and a high-performance 5-individual ink tank system, making it suitable for both home and office use. Number 3. HP ENVY 6055E. The HP New Printer is a versatile inkjet device optimized for home printing, capable of producing color outputs such as recipes, forms, and travel documents. It boasts print speeds of up to 10 pages per minute in monochrome and 7 pages per minute in color, along with the ability to print, copy, and scan documents efficiently. Notably, it features dual-band Wi-Fi with self-healing capabilities to ensure a stable connection and includes a USB 2.0 port for additional connectivity options. The printer also integrates HP Plus Smart features, offering enhanced mobile printing, security, and automatic updates, available only with an HP account and original HP ink. Users can enjoy a complimentary 3-month instant ink subscription with HP Plus, allowing for printing up to 700 pages per month, followed by discounted ink deliveries afterward. The HP Smart app further simplifies setup and management, allowing mobile printing, scanning, and advanced features like multi-item recognition. It is designed to work exclusively with original HP cartridges, ensuring optimal performance and security through periodic firmware updates. Number 4. Canon Pixma PRO-200. The Canon Pixma PRO-200 is a versatile inkjet printer designed for professionals, featuring both wired and wireless connectivity options. It utilizes an advanced 8-color dye-based ink system, ensuring vibrant and high-quality color output. The printer's compact design makes it ideal for small studios or home offices, and it can produce high-quality A3+ prints in about 90 seconds, with the capability to print borderless up to 13 inches by 19 inches and custom sizes up to 13 inches by 39 inches. Equipped with a convenient 3-inch LCD display, users can easily check ink levels and perform maintenance tasks for consistent printing results. Additionally, the Canon Professional Print and Layout (PPL) software simplifies the printing process by providing an intuitive interface for selecting the right settings, allowing artists to focus more on their work and less on technical configurations. Number 5. Canon TS9521C. The Canon Pixma TS9521C is a versatile inkjet printer designed for both crafting and everyday printing needs, featuring a sleek white design and weighing 21.3 pounds. It boasts wireless, Bluetooth, USB, and Ethernet connectivity, allowing seamless printing from smartphones, tablets, memory cards, and computers, with compatibility for AirPrint and Maria Print service. This printer is equipped with 5 individual inks that provide exceptional color output, achieving a maximum print speed of 10 pages per minute in color and 15 pages in monochrome. Its special features include an auto document feeder, borderless printing capabilities, and support for 12-inch by 12-inch paper, making it ideal for various projects while ensuring long-lasting print quality with ChromaLife 100 technology that protects photos from fading for up to 100 years when stored properly.